I mean, the thing that really got me, and I think it's going to get a lot of other people, is that there are just so many false dawns with self-driving.
The real reason Tesla developed the Giga Press. The Giga Press is currently the biggest die-casting machine in existence. It has a maximum weight capacity of 430 tons and a maximum clamping force of 61,000 kN. Additionally, these enormous die-casting machines, which are the size of a home, can cast very huge components. Only Hydra and LK Group are producing these devices at the moment, and Tesla is the first business to have ever ordered the Giga Press. Since then, many involved in the die-casting sector have been excited to witness the biggest die-casting machine in the world in operation. Tesla's Fremont facility received the first 2 Giga Presses for installation. Starting in May 2020, preparation work for setting up the DCM-1 or DCM-1, the first aluminum die-casting machine, began. Tesla had obtained multiple licenses from the city of Fremont to construct the required DCM-1 housing facilities, Fremont's Tesla Giga Press facility. By August 2020, the DCM-1 facility's construction was essentially finished. Tesla began testing the use of the first Giga Press in September 2020 to cast the rear chassis of the Model Y in a single piece. The DCM-2 facility had also been finished by then. Tesla added 3 more Giga Presses to its Giga Shanghai or GigaFactory 3 facility in Shanghai. Beginning at the end of 2019, preparation work was completed by October 2020. The Giga Presses were created by LK Machinery at Giga Shanghai. It was given the moniker Impress-Plus DCC6000. Tesla began setting the Giga Berlin to house 8 6,100-ton Giga Presses, GigaFactory 4. Beginning in July 2020, the piling work for the Giga Presses was nearly finished by 2021. By the beginning of 2021, Tesla intended to send 2 Giga Presses. European Model Y automobiles will be the primary product of the Giga Berlin die-casting machinery. They will differ somewhat from the others, and the operator will use them to cast the Model Y's front and rear chassis. Giga Texas's GigaFactory 5 construction is still ongoing. But by January 2021, the groundwork for the 3 Giga Press was clear. By February, the majority of the significant parts for Giga Press are said to have arrived at the location. Hopefully, the remaining machines will be put together and prepared for production soon. General Manager of the Hydra Group, Ricardo Ferrario, is a person who first came up with the moniker Giga Press. In the latter part of 2018, the Hydra Group unveiled the Giga Press. Since then, it has been listed in their catalog. Tesla didn't begin using a customized OL6100CS Giga Press for production until late 2020. The first order for a 5,500-ton high-pressure die-casting HBDC machine, however, has already been announced by Hydra on their website. Tesla's president of automotive, Jerome Guillen, also claimed that the company is developing a huge, giant machine to produce full-size cars in the same way that toy cars are made in 2019. Elon Musk later revealed that Tesla had purchased 2 enormous die-casting machines to create the chassis components for the Tesla Model Y in April 2020. He claimed in a tweet from August 2020 that it was the biggest casting machine ever created. Elon Musk also disclosed in January 2021 that the Tesla Cybertruck's rear chassis will be cast using a Giga Press with a clamping power of more than 8,000 tons. Additionally, Tesla has successfully set up 2 Giga Press at the Fremont facility and 3 in Shanghai. The Giga Press is more of a setup for die casting than a device. It has all the systems and gadgets needed for the die casting process. The aluminum alloy is handled by 2 sets of ovens in the Giga Press. One has an operating temperature of 850 degrees Celsius and serves as a melting oven powered by natural gas. Another oven, which runs at a temperature of 750 to 850 degrees Celsius, is used to store liquid metal that has been cooked by electricity. Giga Press is the central component of the entire system or die-casting mechanism. It is built similarly to and performs similarly to standard high-pressure die-casting equipment, except for its massive size. A 4,000-liter tank is used by the Giga Press to create a vacuum inside the mold. It is produced by Fonderex, a Swiss business that developed vacuum technology for high-pressure die casting first. The quenching tank quickly reduces the casting's temperature to an acceptable level. It enables the attainment of some particular qualities for metal casting. For quickly trimming away superfluous metal linked to the casting, mechanical trimming presses and laser trim are available. The scrap metals are used in a recycling scheme. Offcuts from the shredding of the scrap aluminum are used in subsequent casting cycles. IDRA's multi-ton Giga Press, which Tesla utilizes, provides Tesla with a decisive advantage. Other automakers will keep lagging if they don't adopt this technology. The Giga Press is a tool unlike any other, and it was created by Tesla to locate a machine that would make it easier and faster for them to ramp up manufacturing volume. To learn more about the Giga Press, Sandy Munro also visited IDRA's facilities. This device needs to be viewed more as a factory than a tool. Sandy Munro examined Tesla's automobiles and the way their frames are put together. For instance, the frame of the first Tesla Model 3 from 2018 was assembled using several pieces and fasteners. Since then, Tesla has developed the three-piece casting Model Y, which will be available in 2022. Tesla has evolved from a dinosaur to a manufacturer of the 2022 Model Y, a three-piece casting with a top-notch design. In today's production environment, anyone not employing a casting machine is not evolving to stay up with what is happening, and those businesses will not survive unless they adapt. The casting process is an advanced one. There is no requirement for heat treatment. In a fraction of a second, the structure is created. This indicates that there isn't any induced tension generating the material's strange dents or bends. The benefit is that you can produce identical pieces for every automobile called die casts. There is almost no margin for error.